Raptor. That's crazy. All right, guys, good evening once again. Welcome back to another video. So tonight's video, we are heading out to the city. We're waiting for Johnson as well. Johnson has this BMW G87 M2. It's equipped with full titanium catback exhaust by private label manufacturing. It's pretty damn loud, so you know we're gonna be doing this POV drive or POV night drive, and I'm pretty stoked about this, you guys. But for now, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a walk through my BMW M4. Again, if you guys didn't know, we got some new BBS wheels, CIRs, and I'm really excited about these. They're pretty clean for now, but I like the bronze and black. I don't know. What do you think, Brian? What do you think about the BBS CIRs? You know, with this kind of finish, bronze and also black.
I fucking love them, bro.
No, like you gotta tell me honestly, man.
I'll be honest, I do love them.
Okay.
It's a timeless look, bro.
I appreciate for you. I mean, but damn, my car's looking a little bit. Woof. Okay, that's pretty clean right now. I'm glad. I'm actually glad that I cleaned this yesterday after work, man, or just today after work. But okay, let's see how much a full tank would be. $60, $66.51.
It's actually not that much.
Push it more to 12 gallons, 67 bucks. Let's get it. All right, guys, so the plan for tonight is Johnson and Ryan and I are all gonna go to San Francisco. Well, technically speaking, this is already San Francisco, but we're gonna head deeper into the city. We're gonna be, you know, just ripping our cars. I'm also equipped with PLM single mid pipe for the F82 or for the S55 motor. You know, but everything is still stock. My downpipe is still stock. And my catback, or also my axle back is still stock, but it actually sounds pretty decent, so you know, you guys will hear it later on. Oh damn, BMW G87 M2, man. So BMW driver over there. Johnson's BMW G87 M2. He recently got these DRLs. He's got custom wheels coming, so pretty excited about that. All right, this should be fun. Okay, my car is not that loud, just want to let you guys know, but
it's pretty loud.
We're nah, it's not. With cold start, yes, it is, but the windows down. I don't have any of that. It's really not that loud, man, I'm telling you.
No, it's pretty fucking loud.
Hey, press this. No, press that if it's your ass is burning. Alright. Oh. It's just those farts, honestly. That's it.
Bro, I can't wait to get this up. That was crazy, bro. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna stay under here.
You're gonna stay out here.
First, man. Oh my goodness. First location, Mel's Drive-In. I'm pretty sure if you guys are a local in San Francisco area, especially on Golden Gate Bridge, this is one of the best spots, you guys, for diner and such things. So make sure to check it out. Down here at Mel's Drive-In, all we had to do was just really use the bathroom. All right. Okay, let's go, man. Windows down a little bit. If you guys see that chassis code over there, don't worry, we have coilovers on and we haven't put on the codes yet, that's why. So we have the check engine light. It's because we have the PCV valve leaking. We're gonna fix that later on. I'll also do a huge maintenance for my car, so stay tuned on that. But let's go. Car just gives me butterflies from time to time, honestly.
Okay, turn it on just in case you want to make some
There's a Filipino ice cream place here, Ryan.
Yeah.
It's pretty good, man. Wow. I have no idea where Johnson is, but okay. Yeah, dude, I shot Nate's car here back then. It was pretty sick. Ooh. Damn. That's crazy. You have no idea how loud that is in person, you guys. That is crazy. And again, that is full titanium catback by private label manufacturer, or PLM. So make sure to get one of those if you have a G87 M2. It is not raspy at all, okay? Dude, your car is loud, man.
Is it really?
It is loud. It is super loud, bro. Here 39, check this out. It's a must. If you guys like sugars, or if you guys obviously sugar, chocolates, and even sweets, you know, highly recommend go here. Straight. That's good. I really am digging my gold wheels and also my interior here. It's crazy. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is definitely a good spot right here. Is it connected?
Yeah, it's got 26 minutes.
Huh? You said what? 26 minutes?
Yeah, we got 26
Oh, I was gonna say 26 minutes to get to Treasure Island. I'm like, damn. Pretty sure it's less than that.
Yeah, definitely.
What are we going to San Jose or what? That's crazy. Recorders? This is one of my favorite views. Look at that spot, guys. Right? No cars? Okay, we're gonna have some fun here. Oh my god. For some reason, like one of my wheel or one of my tires just kind of like gripped off. I'm like, oh. Yep. my god.
Oh, you almost missed it.
Oh.
That would have went from 10 minutes to 20 minutes. Not to like 30 minutes.
For real. Alright. Alright. Wow, look at this view, you guys. So we're at Treasure Island right now, and we have Johnson's M2, we have my M4. We have this really nice view of the Bay Bridge and the city skyline, Pier 39, and also the Golden Gate Bridge. Surprisingly, there's no fog today, which is really great. We don't want no fog. Maybe from time to time, but not much. But it is a nice day. It is a nice night, really nice. Again, I appreciate you, Johnson, and also Ryan for helping out tonight. This is awesome so far, you guys. Can't wait to edit this video, honestly.